Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Pluralsight detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pluralsight website. Locate the sign up or start free trial button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets the outlined security requirements. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box indicating your click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open the confirmation email and click on the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Pluralsight website and log in using your email and password. Explore the user-friendly interface to become familiar with available features. Use the search bar to find courses or topics of interest. Select a course to view its details, including descriptions and instructor information. If you wish to enroll, click the Start Free Trial or Enroll Now button. Follow any prompts to set up payment information if required. Begin your learning journey by accessing the course materials. Utilize additional resources such as quizzes and hands-on labs to enhance your understanding. Consider joining user forums or community groups for additional support. Regularly check back for new courses and updates in your areas of interest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.